Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 13 runs iOS 16 or later and has at least 6 GB free. This ensures smooth model operation. Once done, open the App Store and download Genmoji, then grant camera, photos, and microphone permissions so the app can capture and export content. Next, sign in with your Apple ID or register inside the app. This links your device and enables cloud sync. Doing these actions now prevents permission prompts during creation and saves time. You now capture your avatar. Use the front camera at eye level with neutral lighting to get accurate facial data. Once captured, select a style model and adjust sliders for expression, color saturation, and detail. These parameters change output weight and realism. Then record short clips or take stills. Make a 3-7-second clip for animated Genmoji. Preview at 1x and 2x playback to check motion fidelity. If a result looks off, tweak expression intensity or lighting and re-record immediately. You finish by exporting your Genmoji. Pick GIF, MP4, or a sticker pack and choose 720p or 1080p depending on destination. Higher resolution increases file size. Then share directly to Messages or Instagram, or save to Photos to reuse in other apps. If you see artifacts, jitter, or odd colors, toggle to a different style model, reset sliders to defaults, and clear the app cache. If problems persist, force close and reopen Genmoji, then retake the capture under better lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.